the opportunity. Today I Noshida stand before you to speak on a topic that checks the strength, spirit, and future of our nation, the economy of India. So an economy is not just about number, GDP, or statistics. It is the heartbeat of a nation. It is the soul of its people and the foundation of its brain. And when we talk about India, we talk about a nation that transforms challenges into opportunities and aspirations into achievements. The Indian Constitution is one of the most fastest growing major economies in the world. From being a colony that struggled under economic exploitation, India has emerged as a global economy powerhouse. Today it stands among the top economies, driven by innovations, entrepreneurship, and all young, yeah. The next para is India's economy is diverse and vibrant. It includes agriculture, industry, and services, which playing a vital role. Agriculture, the backbone of India, supports millions of livelihoods. Industry contributes to manufacturing and infrastructure, while the service sectors, especially IT and digital services, has placed India on the global map. Moreover, India's geographic advantage is its greatest strength. This one of the youngest population in the world. The country has immense potential for innovation and royalty. Startup innovation and digital payments are shaping a new economic landscape where India is not just participating but leading. However, every journey has its challenges. Issues like unemployment, income inequalities, income inequalities, and rural-urban divides still exist. But what makes India unique is its determination to overcome these barriers through reform policies and collective effort. So, in conclusion, Indian economy is not just growing; it is evolving. It is the story of hope, hard work, and endless possibilities. Let us recall, an economy becomes powerful not just by wealth but by the strength of its people. So, as responsible citizen and the future of this nation, it is our duty to innovate our potentials of our country. Because the rise of Indian economy is not just a prediction; it is a promise, it is a vision, and most importantly, it is our responsibility to make it reality.